Hi friends, today we will take a topic of organic chemistry. That is, it is a very basic topic, that is Apic nomenclature. But in this topic, I will cover only the Apic nomenclature of branched chain alkanes. Right? This is a very basic topic, and for this we have some rules. If we go step by step, then it becomes very easy to correctly name any branch chain, right? So I think with this I will start the video. The first rule is very simple, that we have to select the longest chain of the compound. How will we do this? We have to get the longest chain. It may or may not be straight, but it should be continuous. What is the meaning of continuous? I will show it to you like this. 1 2 3 4 5. This is a continuous chain, this is the straight one, but this is not the part of this continuous chain, right? It continuous chain can also be this. Now if we take this chain, then this part doesn't become the part of this chain. It is not continuous, right? Likewise, I can take this chain also. Now if I take this chain, then this group becomes discontinuous. So which chain I have to take? Which is the longest chain? Longest chain is with the maximum number of carbon atoms. If I take this chain, it is 4 number of carbons. If I take this chain, it is 4 number of carbon atoms. But if I take this chain, it has 5 number of carbon atoms. So this is the correct one, right? First one is, I think it is very easy. We have to just see which one is the longest continuous chain in the compound. Now second rule also based upon the selection of the longest chain, but I think it is somewhat complex one. It says that if we have two chains in the compound which have the maximum number of carbon atoms but the equal number of carbon atoms, means either 6 6 7 7 5 5, both the chains have maximum number of carbon atoms and also the equal one, then which one will we choose? We will choose the one which has maximum number of branches. We will see it by the example. Now in this compound we can have this as the continuous chain 1 2 3 4 5 6. It has 6 number of carbon atoms. This one, right? It has two branch chains. Now another one which is possible, I think this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I take this one as the longest chain, this is also of 6 with 6 number, then this become our one and only branch. So I think with this we have 6 number of carbon atoms but only one branched chain. So which numbering becomes the correct one? With the 2 number of branched chains, that is this one, right? If we have two chains, I am repeating this, if we have two chains with same carbon length and the maximum number of carbon length, then we have to decide either one of them. Then we will select the one which has maximum number of branches, which has more number of branches, or which has higher number of branches. We have seen this example. We have another one also. In this compound, I have already numbered the straight chain of the compound. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6. What are the number of branches? 1, 2 and 3. So if we take this one, they have 3 branches. We can also have another chain like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we take this chain, how many number of branches are there? 1 and 2 branches. So which numbering is correct? 1 with the 3 number of branches, right? That is the straight one. Okay, is this clear? If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment. I will try to solve your problem. The third rule is somewhat easy. It only says that if we have any branch chain, then we will how will we number the compound? Either it from right side or from left side or for upside or downside. With which side we should start the numbering. The numbering should start from that side so that the branch should get the lowest number, lowest position on the parent chain. Like this, if I count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have got 5 number. And if I count from here 1, 2, 3, I have got 3 numbers. So 3 is lower one. So this numbering is correct. Okay? I think this one was easy, right? Now the next one. If this rule depended upon the thing that we have only one branch, but if we have more than one branch, then what will we do? We will number the compound from both the side and write the positions in numbering. Like if we count from this side, we have position 2, 7 and 8. 2, 7 and 8. If we count it from this side, we will have positions 3, 4 and 9. 3, 4 and 9. Now what does this rule says? This rule says that we will choose that counting in which we will compare the locants by one. We will compare the first locant. It has 2 numbering, it has 3 numbering. First one is different, so this one is lower one, so this numbering is correct. We don't have to switch to the second numbering. This is very important rule. For few years ago, we used to use the lowest sum rule. Now this has been discarded. Please don't follow this rule. We will see the first one. If that is not similar, so the lower one will be preferred and that numbering is the correct one. We will not switch to second. We will switch to second if the first one is the similar. Like in this one, we have 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 4, right? So we have locants at 2, 2, 4 and 2, 4, 4. The first one is equal, so we have to move to second one, 2 and 4. This one is lower, so this became the correct. If this one was also similar, then we will have to switch to the third one, right? And we will go on like that only. Now in this, you know this type of structure, these corners are carbon and hydrogen. So it's like this, we have one carbon, one valency is fulfilled by this, so we will have 3 hydrogens with that. So this carbon compound will be that only. Now its branches are on 3, 4, 9 and its branches are 2, 7, 8. So we will compare the first one, 2, 3. This one is short, this one is correct. The rule has become very simple nowadays. Let me tell you that some rule was somewhat difficult. This is very simple. The first difference, first one lower, That is correct, right? Now another rule, how will we write the name? In this we will write the name like that ki, we will prefix the name of the substituent. Any substituent that will come in the prefix, and the parent chain will come afterwards, right? Like this, we have methyl group at the position 3, so we will write it 3 hyphen then methyl. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5. 5 means pent, right? If we have same substituent, but in the duplicate, in the double position, means in 2 positions or 3 positions or 4 positions, then what will we try for them? If we have 2 positions, then we write di. If we have 3 positions, then we use tri. When we have 4 positions, we use tetra, right? Like so on. We now in this compound we have methyl, but we have 2 methyls, so we will use dimethyl. What are the positions? 2 3. Here we have used hyphen after 3, but we have 2 positions, so we will write comma 2 3 hyphen. Now we have dimethyl, right? Now how many parent chains are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Guys, you have to write name after we have selected the longest chain, and then we had done the numbering. To save our time, I have already done this for you, so we can save our time, right? But you don't, this compound I will take later, right? Now if we have till now we have seen that if we have two same substituents, then we will use di tri. But if we have more than one type of substituents, like this, we have methyl, it is dimethyl. Now we have ethyl also. Then which one should be written first and which should be written afterwards? So for that we have taken we have taken the rule of alphabetic rule. So this is methyl and this is ethyl. So ethyl comes first. Ethyl comes first in alphabetic order because of E and because of M. So ethyl should be written first. But here you will also have a question that we will write dimethyl. So D comes first? No. Di, tri, tetra, they are not considered for the alphabetic manner, right? They are not considered for alphabetic manner. So what is this compound? We have 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5, same as the thing. So we will take this as the longest chain. 5, that is pentane. These are methyls, this is ethyl. So methyl, ethyl will come first, position 3 ethyl hyphen. Now positions 2 3, same as that, comma will come in 2 positions, 2 comma 3 hyphen dimethyl. Now what is that? Pentane. Okay, I will take some more example, 1 or 2 more examples. Now what is this compound? I think I have already told you that these are carbons, but for convenience I will write it for you. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is, can I avoid hydrogens? This is carbon on the second position. Third positions we have ethyl, we have 2 carbons, right? So we have C. It can go either way, and here we have C. So we have methyl. Now numbering is 1 2 3 4 5 6. It can be 1 2 3 4 4, 5, 6. It has become a hodgepodge, right? I think I should write it like that the numbering, if we go this side, then the locants are 2, 4 or 3 and 4. If we go on this side, by numbering, then the locants are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the first number is 2, first number is 3. Which one is correct? 2 is correct. So this has gone this side, so this numbering is correct. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So we have methyl on second position, 4 methyl at fourth position, and ethyl at third position. So ethyl will come first, dimethyl will come afterwards. I have already told you that we will consider E and M, not di, for alphabetic order. So it will become 3-ethyl hyphen 2,4 dimethyl. So these are 6 carbons, so we will write hexane, right? Now the next rule says that if we have two different compounds, two different branches, okay, this is ethyl and this is methyl, same compound, then numbering will start from that position, and which has the lower locants. Already we have studied it. So we have locants 3 and 5. So we have locants 3 and 5. Now this is a problem. They have both the locations. Now what will we do? We will see that numbering will be correct. This is ethyl group and this is methyl group. Now that will be selected which is alphabetically at lower position. Alphabetically ethyl at lower position, so ethyl will get the lower position, that is third position. So this position, this numbering will be correct one and this will not be correct. So we can say that it is 3-ethyl hyphen 5 methyl. Now it is 7 carbons, so it is heptane. So, correct? Can we move to next group? It was very easy, I think. So we have already done it. It has it says that we have to use di, tri and tetra. Now we will move to our last rule, which has some sub rules, but it is a difficult one. This rule is a difficult one. It says that if we have any complex substituent on the parent carbon. What is complex substituent? Complex substituent is that which has further branches. Which has branches means a branch also has branches. Like this compound, we have to first choose which one is the longest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, we have to choose this one. This is the longest chain and this is my branched chain. But this branch is also not continuous. It has one further branch. Right? What will be the rule of how will we name this compound or this substituent? First of all, numbering will start from the carbon which is attached to the parent chain. So this carbon is attached to the parent chain, so this will be automatically 1. Now we can choose either this on second position or this in second position. The name will remain the same. This is 1, this is 2. So we have methyl group at first position. So first we will try to name this substituent. Guys, this has the same rules as we follow for the parent chain. So we will write 1 methyl. What is this? Ethane. But this is not ethane. This is already a branch of the parent chain. So we will write ethyl rather than ethane. And this all the substituent will be in the brackets. In front of it we will write its position, that is 4 hyphen. Now what will have, we don't have any other substituent, so we will name the parent chain, that is of 7 carbons, that is haptic. This is the name of the compound. Now the another rule says that if we can have more than one substituent in the chain, and we have to choose one for the parent carbon chain and another for the substituent, then that substituent will become the part of the chain which has larger number of alkyl groups. I think I am not clear, right? We will repeat this. If we have a compound like this, right, and we have to the first rule says that we have to choose the longest chain. So I think I have numbered this for you: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If I number from here, then what will happen? It will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I can choose that one also, right? Which one will I choose? I will choose now I have to choose either this longest chain or either this longest chain. Which one will I choose? I can use the second rule for this also. If I choose this one, how many branches I will have? 1 and 2 branches, right? But if I choose this one, then I will have 1 2 and 3 branches. So which numbering is correct? One with the 3 branches, right? We can use this rule also, but guys, we have to study another rule which says that if we have 2 substituents, means we can also select the longest chain by this method also. If we have 2 substituents, the substituent which has larger number of alkyl groups will go in the parent chain. Like we have 2 substituent, we can have 2 substituent, this one and this one. Now this substituent has only 1 alkyl group and this substituent has 2 alkyl group. So automatically this substituent will go in the parent chain, will make the parent chain, right? Means कान इधर से मरोड़ लो चाहे इधर से मरोड़ लो, बात सेम रहेगी, right? So we will now name, we have already chosen the longest chain, that is this one. Now we have to name this substituent. How will we name this substituent? What are these? These are dimethyl, right? And what is this? Now we have to choose what will be the number 1 position of carbon, one which is attached with the parent chain, this one. So this is 1 2 3 and 4, right? So on second position we have ethyl. So what will be the name? 2-ethyl. What is this? Butyl, not butane. This is butyl because this is already a substituent. So all this will go in bracket. What is the position? 5. So I will write 5 hyphen. Now I have to write dimethyl. For dimethyl, di will not be counted, methyl will be counted, so M will come after E, right? So we have 2, 3 dimethyl. What is the number? It is decane, right? Now we have another example that if the in case of substituent group, complex substituent, only in case of the complex substituent group, the first letter, whether it is di, tri, tetra or anything, or ethyl or butyl or anything, the first letter will be considered for the alphabetic order. First letter of the complex substituent will be considered. I have taken an example for you. Look at this. We will number it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the longest chain with 7. So this is the longest chain with the 7 carbon atoms, right? Now we have two groups. This is ethyl on 4th position, and this is complex substituent or branched substituent. So what is its name? Its name is 1. Its position is 1 or 2, you can say. So we have 1 dimethyl ethyl, right? This is the substituent. So it is starting from D. Now in case of complex substituent, it will be the first letter which is deciding for the alphabetic order. This is ethyl. It starts from E. So what will come first? This one. So how will we write it? 3 hyphen bracket start 1 dimethyl ethyl bracket close hyphen 4 ethyl, and then it is heptane. Easy? Was it looking difficult? Now, like we use di, tri, tetra in the simple branches, in complex form we use bis, tris, tetrakis. Bis for 2, tis for 3, and tetrakis for 4. If we have two similar complex substituents, we will use bis. We have two substituents, we have written bis. If we have 3, then we write tris. If we have 4, then we have to write tetrakis. Okay, I have taken one more example for you. This is there. Now we, in this compound, first rule, we have to choose the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is with 9. So we have to choose this as the longest chain. Okay. Okay. Now where will be the numbering start? If we 1, 2, it is 2, 3, and 6. If we number it from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If we number it from here, it will be 6, 9, and 10. First comparison 6, first comparison 2. Which one is better? This one. Which one is correct? This one. So this one has to be discarded. So we have dimethyl at 2 and 3 positions, and we have complex substituent at 6 position. It is very simple. This one is connected with the parent chain, so this will become 1, 2, and 3. So what will be the name of this substituent? 2-methyl propyl, right? For 3 we use prop. So this is the 6th position. Now see, we have M and here we have also M methyls. This the die of this should not be considered in normal conditions, but because there is a tie for M and M, so we will consider its die in alphabetic order and we will write 2,3 dimethyl hyphen, what is the position, 6 bracket open, 2-methyl propyl bracket close, then what is this, undecane. This is the name of the compound. With this I will end my video. I think you have liked it.